Hi, my name is Sam Nelson. I'm from Boise, Idaho, and I just graduated in finance. Yeah, obviously went to high school in Boise. I was running track there and wanted to take my career, I guess, to the next level. And I reached out to the coach here actually at Utah State, and they offered me a spot on the team to walk on. And so I came here, ran track, and I was actually pre-med. So my dad's in the medical industry. So that was kind of all I grew up knowing was medicine. And then I actually got an email from the business school to, take some classes with the Huntsman Scholar Program. And so I applied and got in, and so I started taking some classes and figured I'd have, business on the side with medicine, and that would help me get into medical schools. And then I got into some just the early classes like finance and accounting and enjoyed those. The Huntsman Scholar Program kind of has like some four main pillars, and so one of the big ones is having an international experience. The theme of the trip was learning about businesses in a developing country. Dean Patel and Dean Anderson came, and so it was just a wonderful opportunity to kind of connect with them and ask them questions, on a one-on-one kind of setting. Dave Patel, we had met before India, but I think our relationship grew in India. I was able to kind of talk to him about my journey to how I got to where I am now, and kind of my likes, my interests and hobbies. And all I'd known before that was, medicine or sports. And so he was kind of able to help give me some guidance as to, what I might like in the business world. I ended up changing majors over to business major and finance specifically, and just kind of took off from there in the business world. And it's a completely different path from when I started. He was very influential in my path here at Utah State. I believe that opportunities arise and you're either prepared or you're not prepared for it. With track, I was given opportunities with being a walk-on and able to accomplish so much. And same with the Huntsman School of Business. They gave me opportunities and I was able to, take those and work with them, and now, I've got a career.